Thank you, Catherine, for presenting us what Standing Committee of European Doctors do, and also sharing your insights about how the medical practices are shaping in now and in future. And I would like to invite now Juozas Pundzius, the professor and our Lithuanian National Health Board chairman. And Juozas maybe could share with us about why to invest into health and in health promotion. It is important for the state and also for ourselves too, and how it is important for sustainability.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to talk today about health as human capital. Nobody has a doubt concerning this thesis, and I will not try to prove this axioma and true again. It was done by previous speakers in previous sessions. Of course, investment to health creates main capital of human with its benefits, long life, and another effects. But I was asked by organizers to make presentation without slides, and I would like to switch off lights, not to lighting to our chairman during my presentation, maybe. I was asked to speak only 5 minutes as well, but maybe I will speak more. But I will not speak about personal medical health care and how much we should invest in this field. I am as well a doctor, a surgeon. I'm doing liver transplant and pancreas surgery, but I know what is the need of these investments for personal health care. But today I would like to concern about public health investment. And if you invest, who are main investors to public health? Of course, firstly is governmental bodies who have in disposition fiscal resources, and they should invest in the right way to improve health of human of society. Of course, another main investor is individual person who should invest also money, and as well maybe more time to gather knowledge, to educate by himself for healthy lifestyle, for health saving and promotion and prevention disease. Today, every health expert emphasizes that investment to public health is very efficient, and we can expect a lot of benefits of this investment. However, in reality, it is different view. As said Mr. Martin Seychelles in previous session, at this morning, there are trends to shrink even this small investments to public health not in Lithuania but in European countries. Maybe we can raise some hypotheses. Maybe these investments are not very effective, and maybe they are not done in the right way? It seems it is. And maybe promising message we have got from Tallinn meeting, health expert meeting last month. It was declared that we should create platform of understanding priorities, actions to increase healthy society, and what investment directions of investments should be done. And another speaker, Mrs. Monika Kosinska, said, "We know what to do, give us money, and we will do things." Maybe Kosinska knows, he is a very great expert. But many parliaments, politicians, even health experts in different countries don't know what are priorities of investment in public health. This morning I discussed with director of regional WHO, Susanna Jacobs, and I asked how much we should invest in public health. She hasn't answered. Maybe more than 1%. It should be more than 1%. 1% is average investments in Europe countries. And this Tallinn meeting emphasized as well that we should change minds and to put in the center individual person with his needs and with his knowledge and skills for healthy life. It means I agree totally, and National Health Board of Lithuania many times emphasized we should put individual in the center. And to understand psychology of individual and his motivation for healthy life. Because now we have a system of knowledge spreading, passive system. From media, from newspapers, from experts are pronouncing that healthy life is very benefit, and if you will live healthy, you will achieve a longer life and maturated healthy aging. But nobody has approaches and methodology how to motivate people, how to motivate individual to live healthy. And it's tremendous lack of this knowledge, and we should, and health experts should put another priorities, change minds, and to act towards to motivation of every people, every human for healthy life. It is need to create a surrounding social behavior of supporters for individual to fulfill his obligation for healthy life. It means the supporters are members of family, friends, neighbors, community eminent people, priests, church, employees. But this supporter team members don't know now how to encourage, how to support individual, how to involve him for healthy life. We need educational system for this support team. We need education also for municipality level players in health system, as Bureau of staff of Bureau of Public Health, what are bodies in municipalities in Lithuania, family physicians, community chief doctors, public health associations in communities. They don't know how to act, how to maturate community for supporting each other for healthy life as well. Therefore, health minister and governmental bodies should make another priorities for investment in public health. Firstly, to ask university experts, not only health sciences universities, but as well universities of education, of social affairs, to come help and to create educational system for all levels, participants and players in public health system, and maybe to copy-paste good experience from another countries who have in some aspects good experience, and to adopt this methodology in Lithuania. It needs quite a lot of investments, and I talked with the health minister about this. He agreed we should do, but there are no money at this moment. Maybe will be in the future. But main issue is to know what you want to do, and I think if we will create such system and such program, such agenda of investment, money will come. Money will come from local budget, from municipalities, from European structural funds. So we now should active work in creating a new system and new mentioned system to help people for healthy life. It's I only talk about maybe narrow field of investments. There are obligations for governmental, also for another fields in the health system. Maybe another speakers will continue this issue. Thank you.